Before we go into the church, there are a few monuments worth mentioning here. This, for instance, is a very interesting Ogham stone slide, with what they say is a prayer for the soul of Maile Invid is inscribed on it. Did you know that the Ogham script represents the earliest form of writing in the Irish language? These stones were constructed in earlier Christian times, and as a matter of fact, this peninsula is home to 1/6 of all Ogham stones in the country. Now, Sláine, nobody knows why there's a hole at the top, but folklore tells us that if someone puts their wedding finger in from one side and the other person from the opposite side, a match was made. I don't know if you noticed it as we came over the wall, Sláine, but there's what is thought to be a sundial, which is elegantly designed. We don't know much about this, but it was possibly constructed in the 12th century. Now, Sláine, we'll move on into the church. Here in the nave of Cill Maolceadair church, Sláine, which was built in the 12th century in the Romanesque style. This church is dedicated to St Maolceadair, Sláine. He died in 636, but he originally had a church here which was called the Oak Houses. The architecture is actually modelled on St Cormac's Church in Cashel in County Tipperary, and which was the headquarters of the Christian church in Munster at the time. Some of the architecture, Sláine, is of local tradition, like the ornament at the top of the gable here, and again at the sanctuary part. Actually, the sanctuary part was added on at a later date. And over the front entrance, Sláine, there is unusually a tympanum, with the head of an animal at the centre of it. And this exact same feature is in St Cormac's Church as well. And look at the wonderful decoration here, Sláine, on the archway, and the intricate carvings in the stone, again done in the Romanesque style. And these beautiful flowers inside the diamond, going all the way around on both sides. Right around here, there's the blind columns, and right behind you, because this place was a seat of learning, there's the alphabet stone, and the Latin alphabet A, B, C is on one side, and it was originally an Ogham stone, or a cloch Ogham in Irish. Up here, as we go along, there's the eye of the needle, the window and the gable, and local tradition has it that if you go through the eye of the needle, eternity will be yours. So we'll carry on, Sláine.